everyone, my name is Sarah, and today I'm going to be showing you guys Nomad Lane's newest bento bag, the Bento Bag version 4. So I hope you're as excited as I am, so let's get started. So as you can see, I have the bag in my hand here, and right away we can see how elevated and stylish and modern this bag is. Definitely something that you want to travel with, whether that's for business or for vacation, but it is a beautiful bag. In addition to that, it actually has so much storage and so many pockets that you can fit things in that you're never going to run out of space in this bag, and making it the perfect personal item bag, as it is a personal item and fits under your seat in the plane in front of you. So don't have to ever worry about not being able to bring it or worried about bringing it on the plane. It 100% fits, which is perfect, so you can shove this thing full and make sure that you're bringing everything you need on your travels. But in addition to how much storage it has, it also is such a beautiful bag. We have the upgraded body design material, which you can see here, as well as real leather straps and trim, which is absolutely gorgeous, and again, just elevates the look of the bag. In addition to that, we also have very smooth zippers, which is like the most important thing. I feel like when you're trying to get your bag open, especially if you're looking into it in security or on the plane or anything of that sort there, you really want to make sure that you can easily open your bag, as well as due to the number of pockets and different compartments that this bag has, you don't have to open the full bag to find something. You can put it in an individual pocket and be able to open just that pocket rather than having to open the entire bag. So enough of my rambling, let me actually take you on a tour of this bag so we can dive deep into it and you can see all the amazing features that I love. First off, let's start from the front to the back of the bag and I'll show you each of the pockets. And again, can we just admire how beautiful this bag is? Definitely a bag that you can take from boarding onto the plane to the boardroom, whether it's going for business or if you're going on vacation, taking with you to the hotel. So definitely something that is so multi-purpose that you can use for both types of travel, any type of travel really, and is ready to be there and fit everything that you need into it. I'll go ahead and show you the very front pocket here. So this is perfect for anything that you need to grab quickly on the go. So thinking boarding pass, passport, that sort of thing, pen, pencil, any IDs, anything that you need to grab super quickly and easily accessible can go in this front pocket here, keys, that sort of thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it, and as you can see, super smooth zipper, no need to worry about that. And then when you go ahead and open the bag, it just looks like this, as you can see here. And we actually have two pockets. We have a pocket right here and another little pocket insert right here. Perfect for putting your passport or your boarding pass kind of right in one of those. Easy to grab out, and then you don't have to like rifle through it and search for it, as this is a nice big pocket, which is a very big plus, but nice to have a location to put your like passport. As well, not only do we have a place for your passport, we also have a key leash and elastic key leash here, which is perfect if you're looking for your like keys as you're getting out of the airport and getting back to your car, or anything that you want to be able to just have on here quickly. Honestly, I'm someone who always like loses my keys in my bag and can't find it, or I get to my car and I actually can't find my keys and I'm looking everywhere and it's just a hassle. Having a key leash kind of right on the front here is perfect because you're able to go in and just find it right away and not get mixed up with anything else that you may have in this front pocket here. But yeah, again, such a nice large big pocket, definitely a great usable space to have at the front of your bag. So I'm just gonna go in and zip that up and we'll get into the next part. So actually the next part is a pocket that I actually am really excited for because not many bags have this, but we actually have two little pockets here right on the top that I'm opening, as you can see here. And in these pockets, they are both kind of dedicated pockets here. Again, you can throw miscellaneous things in here, but also Nomad Lane has thought of it, and in each of these pockets, we actually have, this one contains your toiletries container, which is literally perfect because I never have a bag to put my toiletries in. I'm always getting to the airport and then having to pull my toiletries out and go through the check and everything there. So this is perfect. It has the correct size of what you need to be able to fit when you go through the security. Have everything here, fit it all in. Don't need to worry about having to rifle through the bottom of your bag to get your liquids out to put on the security line. You can just quickly open up this little pocket here, grab this, put this out, and be good to go. And again, I love the little Nomad Lane branding here. They do such a good job with their branding and feeling everything very sleek and modern and gender neutral, so everyone can use this. Now, if you didn't want to use this as like a liquids container or a liquids area, you could still just use the pocket. It is like such a deep pocket. My whole hand goes in here. You could put anything else that you wanted to easily access here as well. Doesn't just have to be the liquids, but I mean, such a convenience liquid spot, so why not put it there? And then I will zip it up and show you the second pocket. So now on this side, we also have a very similar pocket, but here we actually have a different container, and this, again, beautiful branding, is for your cords and anything that you need to put here. As someone who always brings their like laptop, phone charger, camera charger, iPhone charger, everything charger, they end up getting lost in my bag and end up getting like tangled and everything with everything else. Having a dedicated bag for all of your charging requirements is perfect, as well as a perfect easy spot to get it to. And if you have any electronics in here or anything you need to pull out in security, again, you're able to do so. So it just looks like this. And yeah, so definitely a great thing to have. And again, fits in this pocket. But if for some reason you didn't want to put this in there, again, you can just use it for anything that you want to. So after those two pockets, we get into the bulk of the bag from the zipper here at the bottom. So I'm just gonna go in and open that up. And now, coolest thing about this bag, it opens like a suitcase. This literally looks like a mini suitcase. Like, this does not look like your carry-on bag. It's not your carry-on, it's your personal item, and probably has just as much storage as your carry-on. And so this middle area is a clamshell design, which means it opens down the middle, which is perfect for being able to grab everything that you need so easily. Previously, we just looked at this side of the bag, so let me open up this side first so that you can see. We have a little mesh compartment here. I'm gonna go in and open that up. Once you open that up, you're actually met with a larger version of the pockets that you were just in. So see these two things here? These were just the two pockets that we were looking at, both for your toiletries as well as your charging accessories. And then inside this kind of whole other area, you're able to pack like clothes or anything else that you want to bring with you. Ultimately, you pack whatever you want in your personal item, but I like to pack an extra change of clothes just so when I get off the plane, I can change. If I'm going from like a cold destination to a hot one, I like having it in my personal item. If you're going to like a business meeting afterwards, you can put your fancier clothes in here, or vice versa, your comfier clothes if you want to change out of them. Basically, any other additional storage space that you want to put in here, you can put. Honestly, I like carrying my makeup with me in my personal item, so this would fit perfectly right here and then still have room for like clothes, and honestly, even a pair of my like small shoes. So definitely so much space here that you absolutely can make so much use of and easily get to. When I'm getting out of the plane and I want to just grab my pair of clothes and change quickly, I open up my bag into my halfway form, quickly grab my clothes, go to the bathroom, versus having to rifle through a large bag. So that is that side. Now we're gonna move on to this next side, which we haven't yet explored. And as you can see here, I'll flip it around for you. This is your laptop area. So you can take your laptop with you on a trip. Again, business, you'll need your laptop. Vacation, I personally always bring my laptop with me, or my iPad, or some sort of online reading device, which you can put all in here. So as I open up this area, we can see that your laptop can fit in here and fit quite a large laptop to be able to put in on this side here, and is so protected, so you don't have to worry about putting your laptop in and it getting scratched or anything. It is fully protected in this area, as well as fitting your laptop in here. I mean, if you didn't have a laptop, you could use this for anything else that you wanted to. But as well as that, you also have an additional pocket here at the front for a secondary device or anything else you wanted. So personally, I would put my laptop in here, seal it all up, and then also have my iPad or my like e-reader device in here as well, so that all my electronics are kind of positioned in one area and all easily accessible to get to. Again, I like keeping my electronics in my personal bag to use them on the plane, as well as just have them with me, but I want to make sure that they're actually still protected and aren't going to get like scratched or anything else from anything in my bag. And Nomad Lane has definitely thought of that and makes such a protective area for your laptop. So I can go in and then just close it all up. And again, the branding on this is beautiful. I love the gold. I love all the accent pieces on this bag. But yeah, so perfect place for you to store your laptop and electronics. And then if I go to close back up the bag, we now get into the back of the bag. So as you can see, we have another zipper compartment here, which I'm just going to go in and open up. And as you can see here, we have a whole other section of this bag, which is absolutely major. We've already seen so much storage, and now we have even more. So as you can see, huge compartment here. Whatever you want to put in here really, whether that is more clothes, more kind of extra toiletry bag items that you need to add in, shoes. Honestly, I could fit like 2 of my sneakers in here, actually more than that. So much that you can fit in here. Anything else that you typically carry with you as a personal item that maybe doesn't go in any of these other pockets can be this pocket here. As well, we also have a strap to put on and carry with you. So oftentimes I'll end up putting my personal item on my suitcase, which I'll show you a great trolley pass-through in a second. But if you didn't want to do so, you could attach this strap to it. And again, beautiful Nomad Lane branding, but you can use the strap here. And this is literally such a nice strap. Half the time when I have bags, the strap is like, protection is non-existent and it kills your shoulder, because I like to pack my bags pretty full. It gets pretty heavy. I need something that helps protect my shoulder, and this strap will definitely do that. So you can just take your clip and clip it onto the clip here at the front, and then also the one at the back. And then you have an easy way to carry your bag if you don't bring a carry-on item. And it just looks like this. And again, also easy to bring if you're going to like a business meeting after and don't have a carry-on. You can just put the strap on your side and then carry it with you. And again, so sleek and modern. So I feel like you're gonna hear me say that a million times because I absolutely love the look of this bag and everything about it. But I'm just gonna go ahead and take these straps off so I'm not banging them around as I show you the rest of the bag. So now, finishing out this large pocket that you can put so much in, I'm just going to close that up and now get on to the back of the bag, because yes, we're also not done. There's still more storage that you can use. So I'm going to flip this around and now we get to the back of the bag. So as you can see at the back here, we have an additional pocket, which is great for putting things in, as well as doubling as the trolley pass-through. So if I go through and I open up the bottom here, you can see that we have like an opening here that you can put your suitcase, your carry-on, through this, and then have your personal items sit on top so that you don't have to carry it around with you. If for some reason you didn't want to use that, or you weren't taking a carry-on with you, or you were just going for a business trip and just needed something small, you could go ahead and close up the bottom here, and it doubles as an additional pocket for anything else that you need to put in there, and it looks super sleek and modern as you're carrying it if you don't decide to put it through your trolley pass-through. And that's not the only thing we have back there. We also have an additional little pocket at the top. Like again, Nomad Lane literally thought of every single scenario, but we have an additional pocket at the top for your phone, because if you're like me, I'm always carrying my phone. I need to put it somewhere quickly to get through security or do whatever, and then I end up putting it in my bag and it's in the bottom of my bag and I can't find it when I need it, whether it's getting on the plane or whatever. Nomad Lane literally thought of that and put a phone compartment right up at the top here, so you can easily fit your phone here, grab it easily when you need to use it, put it back in here, and then you're never wondering which pocket did I put it in, did I actually lose my phone? Definitely not a panic you want to have when you're going on a trip. So super happy that we have something like that here, and I can show you. I'll put my phone in it right now. It fits perfectly. I have a pretty large iPhone and it fits perfectly in there and is easy for me to grab when I need it. So definitely such a handy thing that like I haven't seen before and is so useful. Like 100% I will be using this all the time. And now you may have thought we have gone through every part of the bag, but we actually have one last part that I want to show you here, and it's on this side of the bag here. As you can see, we have another zipper here, and no, this isn't for another large pocket opening. It's actually a peek-through area to put your water bottle, which is perfect because again, a lot of bags don't have a water bottle holder, so I end up putting my water bottle in the middle of my bag, worried about it's gonna leak, that sort of thing. Not, again, easily accessible. So Nomad Lane has thought of this and has a little zipper here that when you open this up, you actually have storage for your water bottle. You have a water bottle like holder. I'm just gonna open it up so you can see that you can fit your water bottle in, which is literally perfect, so easy to grab, so easy to have on the side of your bag, but doesn't actually take up anything else from space in your bag. So you're not sacrificing space in the inside of your bag for having a water bottle holder. You're able to put this in, and it's quite large, so it will fit most size water bottles and not take up your precious real estate of your personal item bag. Because again, if you're like me, you definitely like to pack a lot when you go away. So this is perfect. And then if you don't bring a water bottle on the trip or finished it or whatever, rather than having this thing sticking out if you don't want to, you can just go in, push it back in the little like pocket here, and then easily zip it up, and you'd never know that you had a water bottle holder here. So this is literally perfect. They've thought of every use case, every scenario that you would need to use in a personal item bag. So now that I've taken you on a full tour of the Bento Bag version 4, you are ready to start packing this bag and heading on your next trip using your new personal item bag that fits so much and definitely is a great addition to your travel lifestyle. Now, Just to confirm, this is a personal item bag that will definitely fit under the seat in front of you. It is 12 inches by 8 inches by 17 inches. So perfect size, exactly what airports regulate the personal item to be. So you never have to worry about showing up and having to like check your bag or any worry about that. You can breeze through security, breeze through check-in, breeze through getting on the plane in style with your new Nomad Lane Bento Bag version 4. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little walkthrough of the Nomad Lane version 4 bento bag. Definitely a bag you're gonna wanna pick up to take on your next adventures, business trips, vacations, anything in between. This bag will do it for you. So definitely make sure to subscribe and like this video if you enjoyed the content, and leave any comments down below about our new bag, because we love it and we hope you love it as much as we do. Again, my name is Sarah. Thank you so much for walking through our bag with us, and see you guys next time.